Hello everyone. Step into the rich tapestry of Mughal culinary heritage as we embark on a delectable journey through the flavors that the Mughals brought to India. In this captivating video, we'll explore the sumptuous world of Mughlai cuisine, uncovering the intricate blend of spices, aromas, and exquisite dishes that have left an indelible mark on the country's gastronomic landscape. Join us as we delve into the history and savor the tastes that have stood the test of time, connecting us to a bygone era of opulence and culinary mastery. So now we will just look at some of the dishes introduced by them in the subcontinent. Biryani, a flavorful rice dish cooked with aromatic spices and meat. Kebabs, skewered and grilled meat, often marinated with various spices. Nihari, slow-cooked stew made with meat, spices, and sometimes wheat. Rogan Josh, a rich and aromatic curry with tender meat, popular in Kashmiri cuisine. Halim, hearty porridge made with wheat, meat, and lentils, often enjoyed during festivals. Shirmal, sweet, saffron-flavored bread that complements savory Mughlai dishes. Murg Musalam, whole roasted chicken, usually stuffed with spiced rice and nuts. Shahi Tukta, a royal dessert made with fried bread slices soaked in sweetened milk. Jalebi, deep-fried pretzel-shaped sweets soaked in sugar syrup, a popular Mughal dessert. Pasanda, tenderized meat cooked in a rich, creamy sauce with ground nuts and spices.